Wi-Fi showing connecting on your Windows 11 PC but not connecting. If you are facing this problem on your Windows 11 PC, then watch this video very carefully. So let's start the video. First of all, right click on Wi-Fi icon and click on Network and Internet Settings option. Now click here Wi-Fi option. Now click Manage Known Networks option. Okay, now select your Wi-Fi and click on Forget option. Done. Now close all option. Now go to Wi-Fi once again. Select your Wi-Fi. Click Connect. Now type your Wi-Fi password once again and click Next. Wi-Fi connected. In this way, you can easily fix Wi-Fi connecting problem on your Windows 11 computer. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thank you.